So, don't judge me because I ain't judging you. Serious note, this has been something that I've been trying to decide if I want to share with you guys in the first place, because I know how the girls can get on the internet and just people in general can get, and let me not say girls, I take that back, because most of the girls, they are for the girls. But I know how some of these other people hiding behind these fake pages, them. I know how I can get, you know. Anywho, we're here today because I am going to show you guys how to wax your face at home. I'm so certain that I'm not the only girl that is, or woman, lady, whatever you want to be called. I'm so positive that I'm not the only person that is going through this. And for a very long time, I used to always ask God, like, why me? Why did I have to be a hairy lady? But I'm working on being more transparent, because there's something that I've struggled with my entire life. And I said I would take you guys on this journey with me. Okay, we are growing and we are learning and we are living together. Okay? I want to get up close and personal so you guys can see. Like, I'm taking time to be transparent with you guys, and it's something that I didn't start at this point. And it takes a lot to just openly share, because growing up, guys used to say little things, and I guess they would think it's gonna make me feel differently about myself. But I've always been secure with me. Let me stop playing for real though. But let's take a breather. On a serious note, I've always been so secure with myself that when people would say things, it would never really move me. I'm gonna get up close so you guys can see. Like, I've never shaved it, and I think that's one of the things that has been helping. I'm really not sure how to get rid of the dark spots, but I know for a fact I'm never going to shave it. I'm never going to take a razor and I'm going to go through it, and I'm not judging the ladies who do, but this right here can save you. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to wax yourselves at home. Been using it for about 6 months now. This has taken a lot for me to get to this point to even share this. But anywho, I'm going to show you what you need. Wax warmer. This is Tress Wellness. I've been using this for about 6 months. The kit was like $35-$40 before shipping. I got it off Amazon. I will leave a link down below where you guys can access this entire kit, and you should be well on your way. Another product that I'll be using is After Wax Spray. It's also by Tress Wellness. It's the purple one. It comes with 2. I do not use the pre-wax spray because I would be using baking soda to dry out my skin. Now, if this is not healthy to put on your skin, I'm not a professional, guys, but I've seen some of the wax girlies do this, and it helps me. It helps to get all of the hairs. And I will be using Popsicle Sticks. I've already been using these. That's why it's open. And I will be refilling my warmer up. I use hard wax. You do not need the cloth strips to take it off. I'm gonna take the yellow. It's not gonna be yellow when you see me apply, because I already have some in my wax burner, and I will be using the same stick over and over again because I'm the only person using this wax. So I'm gonna put the whole thing in. Stir in just a second. I have this towel down on the bottom because I do not want any wax to get onto my white vanity table. And these are the pre-wax spray and the after wax. I am not at all sponsored by them. I did spend my hard-earned money on this myself, and I have my Popsicle Sticks off to the side. and my baking soda. And this is just a box that I sent, that I paid for, excuse me. They came with a lot of bar wax. So yeah, this is just the setup for now, but I will be putting these back just so I can have a little bit more space. And yeah, so we can work like this. So once it melts a little bit more, I'm gonna take the time to, you know, stir it up and get it going. You can see up close. I'm just gonna grab my little mirror. Okay, so I'm gonna start by drying up my skin with the baking soda. I didn't want to use baby powder for some reason. I don't know. Baby powder can't really be trusted. And my hair, I don't know if it's lessening or what, but I promise you guys, it's not getting worse. And I've been doing this for about 6 months. Touching like my face with my hands repeatedly because I have so much going on with my skin, as far as growing hair and sometimes hair bumps and stuff as the hair grow back. I try not to touch my skin, like literally at all. I wear makeup, but I also clean my skin very, very good. It's time for me to exfoliate and do some masks because my skin looks dried out. And I also need to intake more water because my skin looks horrible. So what you do is, and I went to TikTok University, of course, when I first started. Still, you know, learn from the girls over there. But you want to apply the wax in the direction that it grows. So like if the hair, I'm applying down because the hair is growing down, facing. The end of the hair is facing down to the ground. So you rip, let me not say rip, you remove the hair in the opposite direction. If it's growing that direction, it's gonna remove, right? It's not getting worse, so I can deal with it. But I keep you guys updated on if it does or if it gets, if the hair listens. Because I've only been doing it for 6 months, but I really feel like it's working. It's helping. It's benefiting me. That's what I can say. So when you get ready to pull it off, you have to pull at the skin. You see how you see my skin shift? And then take it out. So I'm gonna let it sit for a while because I want everything gone. You hear?
You done lost your damn mind. When you get your damn mind, you call me.
That was brutal. I'll show you guys the strips up close once I'm done.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Lie. I can't even lie looking at these strips. Mommy. The real esthetician, they will not do that. What? So I'm just gonna put one more, just to get the other 2 time to dry.
yellow, green, purple, green, blue, green, yellow, green, pink, and purple, green.
I don't stress myself about it because I only have to do it once a month. When at first I was having to nair like every 2 weeks. If I didn't, I would be so hairy. My skin would be so irritated trying to stay consistent with doing it every 2 weeks. And I just felt like something needed to give. That wasn't the lifestyle for me. I was trying to nair because it was quick. I didn't know anything. I've been nairing since high school. I'm 23 now. So, like when I turned like 15, 16, I started nairing my face to remove the hair. This cheek is really bad. Just a few little strings. Last one. And I got them. I even got the little bitty stubble. That's insane. Cotton round and some after wax. And I'm just gonna remove anything that could dry up and be hard. Like I can't wash it out in the shower basically. Get the little residue that was left behind from strips. The photos you will be seeing were taken in July of 2023, and I found some photos from April of 2023 where my hair was so much more darker. I do see progress. Just to wait about 5 days after waxing to exfoliate, because waxing in itself is a form of exfoliant. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the time to put up all of my products so that I can show you guys the strips. Stubble right here. I actually got it out. This is another sideburn. The hairs are really stubborn that do grow. And some of them don't really have anything. They're just like cleanup that I can see. I left behind a few hairs to get out of it, out of my skin. See right there. Just want to come back and thank you guys for even staying tuned for this video or coming back to see me do my videos. This is an after. The swelling will go down. It's just been a month since I did this, so she's gonna be a little irritated. So Once it goes down, your girl will be back in business. It's really just this side's my problematic side. This she's pretty cool. She's pretty chill. See you guys in the next video.